Welcome to this module on the Cooper Busman ELPRO 615M1 3G cellular modem and IP router. Before we get started, let's look at what we will be covering in this module. By the end of this module, you should be able to identify the key features of the 615M1, list application uses of the 615M1, define configuration and operating modes for the 615M1, and find additional information and support. You should take approximately 5 minutes to complete this module. Let's get to know the Cooper Busman ELPRO 615M1 3G cellular modem and IP router. The new 615M1 is a powerful multi-service provider cellular broadband router that delivers wireless data connectivity for up to 2 LAN connections and 1 serial port through public cellular networks at 3G network speeds. It is pre-configured for ease of deployment with little to no infrastructure cost. Here are the key features of the 615M1. Multi-carrier radio for global use. Redundant network carrier options. Ethernet and serial and I/O communications. Internal PPTP and VPN server or client. Remote access for configuration and diagnostics. Advanced security options to suit enterprise networks. DHCP server and port forwarding. Auto redial for always-on connection. UL and CUL listed. Class 1, Division 2, and ATIC certification. What are the features of the 615M1? Click the glowing circles to learn more about each feature. Serial port. It provides connectivity for terminal devices, such as PLCs and remote I/O. 2 Ethernet ports. 2 Ethernet ports for connections to Ethernet devices and configuration. Auxiliary antenna port, used to provide diversity in low-signal areas. LED status indicators. This is a visual indication of signal quality, service and network connectivity. Adaptable power. This provides wide-range supply voltage, as well as ignition sense for vehicle applications. Antenna port. This is the primary antenna port used for transmitting and receiving cellular signals. Here are some more features of the 615M1. Click the glowing circles to learn more about each feature. I/O monitoring, to monitor I/O points via SNMP or web interface. DIN rail mount. It has an optional flat panel mount for vehicle applications. SIM card and service utility. For cellular carrier SIM card and providing firmware upgrades via USB port. Here are some of the applications for the 615M1. Click the numbers to view each application. Variable message displays. Speed. Hazard. Weather conditions. Metering. Water, gas. Security. CCTV. Telemetry. I/O connectivity. Automation. PLC and RTU. With both serial and Ethernet connectivity, along with antenna and the diversity for challenging cellular environments, the 615M1 can be used in numerous applications as currently displayed. These applications allow for rapid deployment of projects to gain insight and control, allowing for the streamline of operations for greater quality and improved information management. Applications for the 615M1 are not designed for just one vertical market. As long as you have a cellular signal, the 615M1 can be used to resolve security and maintenance problems, reducing or eliminating the need to expose workers to existing or potential hazards, and also act as a portable and temporary solution without the need of costly engineering solutions. The 615M1 allows for the ease of integration with third-party products and legacy systems, providing flexible, adaptable, secure, and reliable communications. All configurations are performed via inbuilt username and password protected web server, which allows adjusting of parameters to suit the specifics of your application. Diagnostics and help files are also on hand, and with the ability of remote over-the-air diagnostics and configuration, Key information on the network are available via the main status web page, such as uptime, cellular network status, and connection information, along with power supply and module temperature. This all can not only be accessed via the web page, but also via an SNMP client, using it for a larger network view. More information can be found at www.cooperbusman.com/wireless. Click the globe icon to access our website. You will find product resources at the Technical Library, the 615M1 product page, and the Customer Support. Visit our website to learn how our full range of industrial automation and connectivity solutions can provide an essential seamless foundation for your automation infrastructure. You have come to the end of this module on Cooper Busman ELPRO 615M 3G cellular modem and IP router. Before you proceed to the assessment, take a quick look at some of the key takeaways. Cooper Busman ELPRO 615M 3G cellular modem and IP router provides multi-carrier support for global use and supports static and dynamic IP. It provides multi-protocol support with 2 Ethernet ports and RS-232 serial port. It comes with a secure network connectivity, IPsec, PPTP, VPN, Radius 802, 1X. It is easy to configure, web page configuration and over-the-air configuration and diagnostics. It has discrete and analog I/O, which is accessible via SNMP server.